Within the churning waters of Stonehaven Bay, nestled upon the western embrace of Hook Island, a routine yet crucial operation is underway. Here, the valiant vessel Odyssey will be undertaking a critical task in protecting the fragile subsea ecosystem. The vessel's crew meticulously secures her stern to the sturdy mooring, its lines becoming taut in anticipation. While this unfolds topside, an entirely different world awaits beneath the waves. A team of skilled divers dons their specialized gear, preparing to embark on an aquatic inspection. Their objective? To scrutinize the very foundation upon which this floating leviathan rests, the submerged mooring. In this delicate dance between human ingenuity and the unforgiving marine environment, every step must be executed with utmost precision. For in these depths lies the key to ensuring the vessel's safe harbourage, a vital link in the complex chain that enables our modern maritime marvels. Upon reaching the bottom, the diver inspects the anode and approximates its remaining volume. Here we can witness a primitive diver, without through-water communications, as she uses crudely drawn notes to record anode percentage and pin burial or extrusion. Once this is complete, a quick function test of the swivel is undertaken, a critical component to prevent twisting of the line. It is imperative to remove any debris which may impede the swivel, such as fishing line or other detritus. We can now observe the diver undertaking rudimentary cleaning of the bottom tackle, in order to inspect the components beneath as well as preserving their function. There are several crucial elements of the lower mooring fixture to inspect: the pin's eye, the top and bottom shackle, their fastening bolt, nut and split pin, the swivel, and finally the downline's thimble. It's important to inspect their contacting surfaces for excessive corrosion and pitting. Once the diver is satisfied that the lower section of the mooring is in good order, she begins cleaning the primary section of the mooring line, referred to as the downline. Cleaning of the downline is necessary in order to inspect the line for any strand breaks or signs of damage, and also an important part of general maintenance of the line. Next, we come across a riser buoy, which is spliced into the downline. The riser buoy's primary function is to maintain consistent buoyant force on the lower downline, effectively keeping the bottom tackle from binding up or wrapping around the pin and protective anode, which will typically snap off in short order if the buoy fails. Its secondary action reduces shock loading via an engineering principle known as catenary. After a quick clean, the divers record the buoy's approximate inflation level, which is ideally between 60 to 80%. Our dive team has elected to attempt to reduce excessive inflation of this particular riser. This attempt was performed on the diver's safety stop, as it's often futile and time-consuming without specialized equipment. A fully inflated riser can easily burst. A neap tide with a little swell is all it takes for it to pop. Once the safety stop is clear, the divers proceed to the surface, cleaning and meticulously inspecting the upper section of the downline as they go. Near the top of the downline, the divers come across some ballast chain, which is secured with heavy-duty cable ties. They give this a clean and ensure it is secure and not excessively rusting. Depending on the work method used, the divers have completed their underwater duties. Meanwhile, the topside crew have been hard at work preparing the next one for underwater inspection. This process is repeated over 210 times. As the unforgiving sun dips below the horizon, these dedicated stewards continue their vigil, ensuring the moorings stand resilient against the onslaught of storms, swells, and wayward bareboaters. In safeguarding the moorings, these unsung heroes fortify the very foundation of this underwater paradise.